Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI face swipe in PixVerse. So yeah, you can swipe faces on PixVerse even with a human face, with a lion body, for example. So it's AI, it's not something weird in 2025. So let's get started and let's head over into our website. So open up your preferred browser and then go into the search bar and type pixverse.ai. And right here, what I'm going to do right now, guys, is to make sure that you already signed in or signed up if you don't have an account on PixVerse. So once you are on this window, I just want to go and hit create in the left menu. So right here, the first things first, what I want to do right now, guys, is to go into the character right here on the left menu too and click on it. So once we clicked on the character right here, you need to click on that character, and right here I just want you to upload an image. For example, that one, that's women's image, and yeah, you can even name it. And after that, I just want you to go into upload image and go back into the image or text. So it's it's well forwarded you automatically right here, and it will be uploaded on this place. So after that, I just want you to go and pick the choices that you want or that you will love to be on your video. And after that, I just want you to go to describe the content that you want to create, and you can type I want the face of that woman on the lion body, for example. Or you can go I want the face of the lion on that woman body, or replaced or swiped with replaced with the that woman face, for example. And yeah, once you're finished of setting up all your choices right here, go and hit create, and it will be uploaded right here, and you can just download that video to your files device or devices files. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.